Hello and welcome. The title for this video is How to Use the WH Questions with DouglasESL Part 1. And in this video series, we're going to learn how to ask questions in English. The WH questions help get answers to specific questions. They help us to understand and gain more information. They usually have WH at the beginning of the word. This is why we call them the WH questions. The first WH question is who. Who. Who is used to ask what or which person. Example number 1. Who is working tonight? Who gave you a ride home today? Who is your friend? So all three of these questions are asking you to tell the person, the name or the people or person that you're asking about. Who is used to ask about people. The next WH question is what. What? What is used to ask for information about something? Number 1, what is your name? Number 2, what time does your store open? Number 3, what is your email address? So what is used to ask for specific information you're trying to learn or information you do not have? What? The next one is when. When. When is used to ask about time or refer to a time period. Number 1, when will you go to work? What time will you go to work? When? When will you go to work? Number 2, when does the movie start? Number 3, when are you going to eat dinner? So for number 1, when will you go to work? You're asking what time. You could also say, what time will you go to work? It's basically the same question, but we're using examples to show you how we use when. When does the movie start? You're asking about time. Our next example is where. Where. Where is used to ask about the location or position. Example number 1. Where do we meet tonight? Number 2, where do you live? Number 3, where is your mother? So in these questions, we're asking about the location. Where do we meet? What place? Where do we meet tonight? Where do you live? What area? Where is the location of where you live? Where's your mother? Where is she now? Maybe she's home or maybe she's at work. Where? The next one is how. How. How was used to ask about method or manner. Example number 1. How do you cook a pizza? How? What are the steps? What do you do? How do you cook a pizza? Number 2. How does this work? Number 3. How was your test? We're using the word how to find out the method or manner of something. How do you cook a pizza? The next word, why. Why is used to ask for a reason. Why? Why are you home late? Number 2, why is your brother buying a new car? Why? Number 3, why is the TV broken? Why? What reason is the TV broken? Why is asking for a reason that something has happened so you can understand. Why? It's time for our WH questions assessment. Please place one of these 6 WH question words, who, what, when, where, how, and why, in one of the fill gap sentences. You'll probably need to take a little time and pause the video to select the correct answers. I'll go ahead and read them for you. does it start? Just push the green button. Number 2, did you go to Atlanta? I went last year. Number 3, are you? I am Paul. Number 4, time is it now? It is 4 p.m. Number 5, is the nearest bank? It is on Baker Street. Number 6, are you working today? The manager needs my help. So please select one of the WH questions, the correct one, and each one will fit in one sentence. You can pause the video now to give yourself a little more time. Okay, let's see what the answers are. Number 1, how does it start? Question, the answer, just push the green button. So how does it start? Number 2, when did you go to Atlanta? I went last year. When, referring to time. Number 3, who are you? I am Paul. Who? Number 4, what time is it now? It is 4 p.m. What time? Number 5, where is the nearest bank? It is on Baker Street. Location, where? And finally, number 6, why? Why are you working today? The manager needs my help. Why? Please like, subscribe, and share to hear more English videos in the near future. Thank you for watching DouglasESL. I do have a BitChute account now, as well as a Twitter. If you'd like to check those out, I would appreciate it. See you next time.